Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we are going to look at a free product research method. So if you haven't got a lot of money to start FBA or retail arbitrage or anything like that, this is going to be totally free for you. So let's get straight into it. But before we do, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and of course, leave any questions down below, but not before smashing that like button. Make sure you do it. Let's go do it right now. All right, we're on Amazon. I spend a lot of time on Amazon. I don't know why though. All right, so we're going to look at a free product research technique. So if you are looking to sell on Amazon, but you're not in the position where you kind of want to pay for the kind of really great services like Jungle Scout, which, by the way, guys, I highly recommend doing. This will take longer, but it's completely free. And actually, you can use it in conjunction with your normal product research. So it's really, really simple. It's not going to take me long to explain. So let's just go ahead and go into it. So go on to amazon.co.uk or any Amazon marketplace, and the thing that I would like to do is go shop by department. You can do this in different orders, but let's just do it this way to start off with. We can go to maybe sports and outdoors and go to a fitness subsection, okay? So we're now in kind of this section of Amazon. It's only going to show us products that are related to the fitness industry. So all you do is you go into the search box, you press the minus key, okay? The minus, the little, take away key, and then just like mash the keyboard a bit. And basically it's called a negative search. And what it's going to do is just basically bring up literally all the products, just like Jungle Scout does, all the products in that category. We can then do a few kind of little sneaky tricks. We can go into subsections, but on the left-hand side, we can go, delivery by Prime. We can say, customer reviews, 4 and up, 5 and up, 3 and up. But the one that you will all be looking at is the minimum price, which we're going to go for maybe 15, and the maximum price, maybe 30. And you can change these around and just press go. Okay, you're still looking at all products, but now you're finding ones that meet this criteria. Now, what you're not going to be able to do is then look at, let's go customer review. We can look at 4 and up. We can't see how many reviews they've got on this, but we can sort by average customer reviews. We can sort by price high to low. So let's go price high to low. And we can start going through and we can start to look at the products that meet our criteria. And you can try and change these up a bit, look for ones that only have over, 5 stars or 4 stars or under 3 stars or anything like that. So this is a little product research, what's a plate mate brick magnet? No idea what that is. You've got yoga mats, we've got a whole bunch of other stuff. So this is a sneaky little product research technique that you can use. So let's go into a different department, okay? Or you can use the drop down here. Let's go to baby. Let's go to home and kitchen maybe. Do exactly the same thing, search, mash the keyboard, make sure the minus sign is in front of there. We can change the price again, minimum, let's go £12, maximum 15. And it's going to find every single product that meets our criteria, just like it does on Jungle Scout, except on Jungle Scout, it's a little bit better in terms of, looking at the reviews, the revenue, the average sales velocity as well, because obviously when we hit the Chrome extension, then you'll be able to see loads more information about roughly how many sales they're getting based upon the actual BSR ranking they've got. So as you can see, these are going to be in order of BSR, and they're making lots of sales. These guys making a lot of money, which is pretty cool. That iron is Russell Hobbs going to town on the iron, making a lot of money from that. So it's a very, very quick way, and obviously you're not going to go ahead and find any products on this first page, but this is how you find products on there's 400 pages, for example. So just go ahead and click one of the pages at the bottom. And what you could do is then go, this is super sneaky, go to the address bar at the top. Now, hopefully you can see this. I'm not sure if it cuts it off. But if you click the address bar, there's something really cool that you can do where basically, you see here, it says page equals 3. You can change that page equals 50, hit return, and now you're going to be on the 50th page rather than having to click through all these different ones and taking ages to get it. Now, to give you an idea, on page 50, the sales, they're getting down to this point here, so 100. So we're thinking, okay, maybe this is a bit too far back. Let's go to page 30, for example. So it is useful to have the Chrome extension, definitely. Now, again, if you don't have any money, there are free Chrome extensions that you can get. I'm not saying that you should trust them. I'm just saying that if you have no money, then you might as well download one, okay? Now, I don't use free ones. I use paid ones, so that's just my preference. But to give you an idea, because I can look at the sales volume, or I can just look at these. Okay, that's getting a little bit better. But you're going to want, at some point, you're going to want to understand sales volume. Now, you can do this through the 999 cart tracking method, but again, that takes quite a lot of time. I would highly recommend getting a Chrome extension. If it's paid or not paid, just definitely get one. And you can start doing your product research like this, for free. All these products, they're like perfect FBA. You've got like some spatula type things and little baskets, little pillow thing. Don't know what that is. Shower head. So all of these little things could be fantastic for FBA, and you've just found them potentially for free. All right, guys, so that is the video. Nice and quick one for you. I really hope you enjoyed it and you found it valuable. If you did, smash the like button. Got any questions? Leave them down below. Subscribe, and make sure, guys, you turn on those notifications so when I go live, you're going to be able to see the lovely live goodness. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.